This one strategy helped me make 3 million plus a year in under 2 years without a huge team, a small following, and this strategy helped me scale my agency's output and helped me make millions a year. And I've also spoken about this in the US Insider right here and many other articles, and even at private events. This isn't going to be a basic YouTube tutorial where I tell you how to use AI or post short form content, but to show you exactly how to go from $1 to $3 million per year by choosing the right niche, scaling with ads, and having the best offer in the market. This changed the game for me, and I can't believe no one is talking about it yet. Let's jump into it. The 1 to 3 million per year blueprint, the 4 pillars to business growth. So guys, I'm going to show you a diagram here on exactly what the pillars are, how to get to $1 or $3 million per year. I have a bunch of spreadsheets here I'm going to be sharing with you guys over the course of this video. So stay tuned and stay to the end so I can unreveal these secrets to you. So the next thing here is you have to have a coaching product agency, or you have to be an influencer for this in order to make money and scale to the $1 to $3 million per year mark. So for example here, you can start off with Facebook ads, you can start off with organic marketing or Google ads. And after that, you have to have a really good landing page, which the landing page is basically going to be a really good offer that's going to hook the person to go to your VSL, your video sales letter. So the VSL here, the video sales letter, is then going to lead to a schedule page. When you qualify the prospect with 4 to 6 questions, you can even do more questions if you would like, just not do too many so you don't turn off the prospect. Then you can qualify them to go on to the next level, to then get on the sales call and then make a purchase with you. The thank you page is going to help them show up here. So the thank you, the confirmation page, that's going to help them show up for the call and make them, so your show up rate is all going to be based on the ad itself, how good the ad is, or it's going to be based on the thank you page or the VSL. So that's why you have to figure out if you have a 50% show up rate, maybe your thank you page isn't good enough. Maybe it's not showing the process good enough. Or maybe your ad isn't good enough and people are just, your ad is just having people bounce off of it. And if your people are bouncing off the ad, then that could be another reason why your show up rate is down. The VSL as well. Maybe the VSL isn't like explaining the method enough for the qualified people. So they're booking a call and they're just not showing up for the call. So you have to diagnose the constraints in your business in order to grow. So the next things here is I have the first thing I'm going to be clicking is the funnels and business offers. So if I go through here, I'm going to click funnels and business offers. And guys, if you want these spreadsheets, type down below spreadsheets on this YouTube video and I will send all this over to you. So the guide here to crafting world-class offers is this, the key to scaling your business. This right here is going to be talking about crafting a home run offer, defining your client avatar. So you probably know what a home run offer is if you've read the book by Alex Hormozi, $100 Million Offers. He explains exactly in that book how to make a really good offer that's going to scale your business. This is actually what scaled us to $400,000 plus a month with a new offer that completely dominated the market. The next thing is defining your client avatar. So if you define the right client avatar, that is going to be your exact effort. For example, let's pretend I am targeting med spa owners. My client avatar is going to be a cool scoping med spa. People that do cool scoping in the med spa. That is my niche that I'm going to be targeting. So that is my avatar. So you want to find a perfect avatar that's going to help you scale. Like I said, let me go back to home run offers. Let me cover a little bit on that too as well. So for home run offers, what that is going to be is that's going to be productizing your business into an offer that's going to scale. For example, I'm going to launch your ads for you. I'm going to get you leads to the door and I'm going to place an appointment setter inside your business and I'm going to guarantee you 20 booked appointments per month. That is a hell of an offer right there. And then you can put like, or I work for free until you do, or you don't pay. And then you can have some type of something in the contract stating that, you know, this is conditional, so they have to follow these steps in order to get the refund. So that is the way you can productize your home run offer to make it better. And obviously I explain everything in the sheets here so you can go through it, you can take it. Just make sure you put your email down below and I'll send it by email. The next thing here is to create a powerful transformation. So for example, I help salon owners make extra 10K per month guaranteed. So a transformation basically means you want to transform the person. Let's pretend they're making $1,000 a month. You're transforming them by taking them to $10,000 a month and they're learning stuff from your product, your coaching product. That is how you're going to transform someone. Or let's pretend someone gym industry and someone is, you know, they don't have the dream body they want and they have abs after 9 months working with you. That is making a transformation. You are creating a transformation for that product. So that's how you're going to do it. The step 3 right here is define your activation point, the clarity and simplify your offer, implementing a scalable lead generation process. And basically this right here is going to define activation points. Like we will film and edit 50 reels a month and post them for you. That can be part of the offer as well. So like you want to make me like, hey, we're going to film, script the ads and make 50 reels per month for you. And if they don't go viral, you don't pay. You know what I'm saying? So like that, you know, obviously is not a realistic because you don't know when someone's going to go viral, but I'm just saying like as an example, what you can do for your industry. The next thing here is step 4, design your delivery mechanism. Your delivery is one-on-one coaching or coaching through Slack, or if you're in a Discord and you're going to do like a one-on-one talk, or if they get your phone number, depending on your scale. If you're doing 1 to 3 million, I wouldn't give them your phone number. What I would do is basically put them in a Slack channel and give them one-on-one support so you can then grow from there. Like I said, we were talking about guarantees before, the risk reversal, and guarantees is like, you know, I'll get you 20 appointments per month or you don't pay, that's like a guarantee. Or if I don't double your monthly profit in 120 days, then we'll work for free until you do. So there's like different offers. I know guarantees, you know, could be a scary thing, but you only want to guarantee if you know you're getting the results for some of your clients already. If you're not getting those results, keep training to make that guarantee. Only make the guarantee based on what you can get. If you can't get it, don't do it, because clients will dispute you a little bit more with guarantees. So you want to make sure that your offers packaged and your guarantees packaged the right way until you do this. Make sure you make the guarantee based on how your results are. So the next thing here is master meetings. So we have a master's meeting sheet right here where we talk about how to like meeting efficiency in your business, you know, the cost of the meetings, what do they cost you? So like how many hours, like how many, so if you're doing an hour a day and you know 10 of your employees are, you know, 20 hours a month and 10 of your employees on there, it's $25 per hour, amounting to $5,000 monthly. So you're losing $5,000 monthly on these meetings. So make them worth it. Communicate with them, figure out their problems, their struggles, make your product better, teach them, get them better, make the culture better. You know what I mean? The culture, make it better. So communication strategies. So like I said, communication strategy, cultivating, managing the company structure, minimizing meetings, emphasizing 98% of the communication should be conducted via tools such as Slack and Asana. So like make sure you're using Asana and Slack, or if it's Discord and Asana. I love Asana. Asana is super organized. You have all your clients organized there and you see what results your clients are getting. You can really perfect that system down so it's super organized. So go to asana.com if you want, and you can get a good and make everyone super organized in that thing. The next thing is the meetings. So you want to cultivate the company culture, make sure they're hitting KPIs, and make sure you're problem solving on those company meetings. So you're basically, your whole time is, you know, you're making sure the culture is good, everyone's on the same page, and you're problem solving everyone's struggles what they're having with their clients. So that's going to help. Another thing, so there's going to be like the, you know, a meeting framework here. You can see here, you know, monthly cultural call helps ingrain your vision, one-on-one meetings, bi-weekly meetings, quarterly meetings. So you have all these things in here. So you can definitely run great meetings just by looking at this sheet. You can improve your systems just by that. The next thing here is master marketing. So marketing is my favorite. It's always been my favorite. And if you master marketing, you can scale to infinite beyond, depending on your product and depending on your price point. Most agencies get stuck at 3 million a year because of their either their product or their price point. And if your product can go to 10, 15K just on the front end, you can sell 50 units. You can then make 500,000 to $1 million a month. But you have to have the right niche that's going to eat the right price point, and you're going to sell a lot of units, because some niches won't go past a certain threshold. That's why most agencies get stuck to the 1 to 3 million per year level. But you'll find that as time goes on and you're in that niche long enough. So there's, you know, effective marketing practices. You know, I have Hyros here. Hyros is incredible, by the way. You can see your qualified calls, so you don't have to ever waste time on unqualified calls again. So you can see like what your cost per call is, and really what you're looking for is a cost per call under $350 for a qualified call. Anything more than that, I would not run that campaign anymore. I'd cancel it out unless it's making a lot of sales. But you want to look for $350 and cheaper. Usually you can get a lot cheaper. We're getting calls for about $200, $150, sometimes even $50, depending on what ad it is. So Hyros here, I can give you a link to the Hyros right here. You can click that. You can go in there and basically see what it's all about. So there's different ways here of scaling too. There's vertical scaling, horizontal scaling. My favorite is I like to, you know, test a bunch of different ads, and then I like to duplicate the winning ad and then scale that. That's like the way I like running ads. Like some people, what they like to do is they like to scale it by 20%, 10%. I don't like wasting time. I like testing fast, killing fast, and scaling fast. So the way I do it is, let's pretend I have one ad, and in that ad, there's 3 different images. I like to test that quick with $100 in 4 days. Whatever is getting the best results, I'm duplicating and scaling that ad to the moon. I'm going to like $100 to $150, or like and just on that one ad, or I'm going from $50 to $150. So, in here, you can see here, and it will tell you all about how that works. And here for the ad content, you can find a lot of ad content that you can like model and stuff in the Facebook ads library. It's going to give you all you need there. And it's going to basically give you a direction on how you can write copy, how you can, model people that are already crushing it in your industry. So that's basically it. I'm going to give you a bonus here too. So I got you ads master tracking sheet here too as well. So when you get this, I will give you the ads master tracking sheet, and you can then track your ads from here, and it will help you basically determine how much the real cost of everything, or how much the VSL landing page percentage is, how much the ads are, how much your booked call is. And I would use Hyros. Hyros is a lot better than that. But if you're kind of lost in the dark, you can use this. But I would 100% use Hyros, and I would use this. They're both great to use at the same time. So you have manual and you have AI basically working for you. So the next thing here is the video sales letter. The video sales letter I don't have nothing on. I will be creating more videos around this. But with the videos sales letter, essentially 3 ways actually. You can do a slideshow type of VSL where you're showing a slideshow, and it's kind of like a video slideshow, and then you can test that out. You can do a guarantee VSL, which is between 5 to 10 minutes long. My mentor taught me how to do this, and it's probably been the best guarantee video sales I've ever done before, and it works really well. And you just basically state 3 main key points of what you're going to do to them, and state your guarantee, and then talk about some testimonials, and that's basically how it works. And you can test that out. And the next thing is a long form VSL. The long form VSL is going to be more of like you're showing them the journey from like what they are to who they can become. And when you're showing that, you can then show them how they can become great instead of mediocre. And it's like basically 15 to 20 minutes long, and it can even be 30 minutes plus, or even an hour. You're showing the journey in that, and you can choose those 3 VSLs to test. I usually just test everything. Testing everything is better because then you can learn how to test and kill fast. I'll be making a video sales letter, basically a video on exactly how to do that soon. And the next thing here is teams. Building your team to a $1 to $3 million, powerhouse. There's a lot of different ways you can do that. Your expertise here, your media buyer, what you're looking for. So these are like what you're looking for a media buyer. And I lay it out all here as well as appointment setters. I lay out all the things here, what they should have. They should have 25 warm leads each day, how many dials they should be doing, sales closers. I show you the job board. You can go here in this job board, and you can basically ask for closers there. There's different ways you can say, you can put like a resume. Hey, I'm looking for X, Y, and Z closer that can do blah, blah, blah. And you're going to go in there and type that. And a lot of people, and say comment down below sales closer. People will start commenting down below, and you can message them. It's a great way to get people in the door. I'll tell you here how many units closers should be closing, your client success role, make sure everyone is doing that work. So basically, like, what are they doing, the client success? What are you looking for the team member? And this is going to show you exactly what you're supposed to look for in a team. And these are the key teammates I think you need to make $1 to $3 million per year. Obviously, you can have more, you can have less. I know people that have 2 employees and make $3 million a year. I know people that have 25 employees that make $3 million a year. I know people that have 10 employees that make $3 million a year. It all depends on how much you want to get off your chest. Every business model is different. So a video editor, I feel like a video editor, not a lot of people have this at $1 to $3 million. I do because I love video editors, because I'm always making ads and content to produce. So especially ads for Facebook and Instagram. We're launching ads constantly, like 20 to 40 ads a week, testing and testing and testing. It's all about testing. So a video editor, you can bang these things out quickly. So you can have the video editor editing your videos very quickly, and you're producing this into the market, testing, instead of you editing it or like some kind of assistant. Like, you want to have an actual full-time person from Brazil, Colombia, Venezuela, Guatemala, and you want to find these people for $1,000 a month or part-time for $500, and make sure they're good, and then get them in so they can start editing for you, and so you can produce as fast as you can. So this is the team I would say is media buyer, appointment setter, sales closer, client success, and video editor. I would say a virtual assistant as well. You can have a little virtual assistant helping you with little tasks like finances, little things like that. And you can have like a manager too as well. And then the manager can really handle like client complaints and like bigger things that you want to put him into, and he can really oversee the business more. But I didn't add them in here because I think that you just, you want to put a base here, but if you wanted a little extra oomph that would, basically help you maybe get to be at that 3 million level, then I would have all those. But if you're at the 1 or 2, then you just want to have like a base like this. But yeah, guys, I have it all here. If you want these sheets, obviously comment down below with your email and I'll send you these over. And basically, if you have any questions, then, comment. If you want any other videos as well, comment down below, subscribe, and I'll see you in the other videos. Hope you enjoyed.